If you want a lush, healthy lawn next spring, this fall is the best time to do something about it, and the lawn professionals at TruGreen are here to help. It's the perfect season to take stock of your lawn and fully prepare for the cold winter to come. But fall lawn maintenance means more than just raking, mowing, and watering. It also involves TruGreen's science-based solutions that are tailor-made to meet the needs of your lawn. These services include lawn aeration, which removes plugs of earth that allow your lawn to breathe, and water and nutrients to reach the roots. We also apply our slow-release fertilizer, which can help stimulate and maintain healthy growth. The cooler temperatures of fall are also ideal for targeted weed control, which can effectively manage the spread of weeds year-round. You can rest assured knowing that TruGreen lawn maintenance services are covered by the Healthy Lawn Guarantee, which ensures your complete satisfaction. So be sure to put TruGreen on your fall calendar. It's the best way to guarantee a lawn you'll love next spring. TruGreen. Live life outside.